Hello, and welcome to our How to Get a State Job series. This video will help you write an effective Statement of Qualifications, also known as an SOQ. An SOQ is a document that describes how your experience relates to the specific requirements of the job you're applying for. It is an opportunity to showcase your necessary skills, experience, and knowledge to be successful in the position. It will also set you apart and tell the employer why you are the best candidate for the job. Not every position requires an SOQ, so be sure to check the instructions for each position you apply to. These details are in the job posting under the Statement of Qualifications or Special Instructions section. Specific requirements vary between positions. Here are some tips to help you write an effective SOQ. First, take note of all the SOQ's specific directions provided in the job posting. This includes requirements on which topics to address, page length, margins, font, and font size. To identify what to emphasize in your SOQ, read the full job posting, desirable qualifications, and the duty statement. Carefully review the duty statement provided in the job posting. Understand each detail of the role's duties and responsibilities before you begin. Make sure you relate your experience to the specific duties of the role you are pursuing. Use the SOQ to describe why you are the perfect fit for the job. Don't sell yourself short when sharing your experience. Address each question or desirable qualification thoroughly. If a question has many parts, answer each part individually. It is crucial to follow all these requirements for your application to be considered. Be specific when answering your questions and provide examples that speak to your qualifications. If a question has multiple parts, be sure you answer each part separately. Structure your examples using techniques such as the popular STAR method. This stands for situation, task, action, and result. The key is to provide detailed examples while still maintaining conciseness and clarity. If a question seems unrelated to your experience, use an example that highlights transferable skills. To increase readability, assume recruiters are reading hundreds of SOQs. Make use of clear topic sentences, paragraph breaks, and subheadings or bullet points. While there are specific guidelines that need to be followed, make sure to make your SOQ unique to your own strengths and experiences. Lastly, make sure to thoroughly review your SOQ before submitting your application. Grammatical accuracy and clear writing are considered a part of the evaluation process. The ability to follow directions and completely address all questions are also considered. Give yourself enough time to double-check your work so you can submit an SOQ that effectively represents your writing abilities. Now that you have some tips on how to write an effective SOQ, it is time for you to write your own. Discover helpful tips for the job application process by exploring our How to Get a State Job series. Whether you're watching this video individually or as part of the series, we're here to guide you through each step of the process. We also want you to know that we have more resources to help. You can visit the Help/Tutorials page located on the top of the CalCareers website. You can access other tutorials, frequently asked questions, and a glossary of commonly used terms. If you need further assistance or have any questions that are not addressed in these resources, visit calcareers.ca.gov/help.